open Poopsie Bart Jacob display. Haha.
and this cost $16.99.
16.
From where?
From Ross. The original price is $30.
Guys, do you like our costume? I'm a clown. And I'm a princess.
And I'm a rose petal.
Okay. So, wait. I got a nose. Oh, let's get... Wait.
Don't forget to subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait. Did you guys subscribe?
Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Okay, and let's get into the video. Shout out to Happy Halloween.
Or we can get from here a treat or a
trick. A trick.
Yeah. A treat or a trick. So let's get started.
Look.
Yes.
Ooh, that's pretty.
I'm gonna.
Guys, look at the Poopsie. It's a pink Poopsie. It's so pretty. And this is the case. It's pretty. It got flowers. That's why we got flowers in our head.
Oh, why the doors are
Oh, okay. Never mind. So you're gonna open it like this.
Look, guys. Got it.
Wait, I don't know how to open it.
Okay. Let's open. This is very hard.
Oh.
Oh, they all are pink.
How do you even open?
You could cut it with a scissor.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut it with the scissors.
I got it open. It's jelly slime.
You got.
I know what I
Gonna
got.
cut it from the top. A mermaid.
Yeah.
You open it from right here.
Look, guys. It's a mermaid. It's a bunny mermaid. Bunny merm. It's cute.
How do you even open that?
It was hard. It was a struggle.
Here, use the scissors. How do you open that?
From the top. From the top. Make it drop.
That's a pot. That's
a wet.
From the top right here. Okay. It's okay.
From the top right here.
I'd open it from right here. This side. It's like a blue tail. Having a struggle again. Sorry.
We all got the same thing.
Yeah, I need a clap.
Yeah, her name is Beyonce the Clown, by the way.
Beyonce the Clown!
Yay.
Even when we was at school, I changed my name into Beyonce the Clown.
Online.
Because it was a symbol.
I'm giving so much information.
Celebration.
Yeah.
A symbol. Guys, comment down below if you had a symbol.
You can comment.
Now it's time to open it.
Okay, I'm gonna put mine on it.
Hey guys, I want to open mine.
That's on.
We all got twins. Yeah, they're triplets.
Okay, I'm gonna open it.
How do you open this? It's like this.
You gotta take the top off.
Oh.
Oh, she opened it. Show it. Ooh.
Look, guys, they have a secret tunnel right there. Secret tunnel. Oh, look.
I got it open.
Look, Jana. It has a secret tunnel.
Oh, wash.
How do you open this? Really? Why I'm always having the struggles?
Guys, you have the sugar.
Did you get me?
Basically, guys, this is a storage display. So you can put your toy, your Poopsies all in here. And yeah, all in here. See, all in here. And in here, you can store some slime, which is I did with this one.
And she forgot, you can actually put your big Poopsies in here. And this is all what it comes with. It comes with slime, a dead, well, it doesn't come with a dead body. It comes with a Poopsie, and it comes with some glitter, and it comes with a stuff, whatever this is. And it comes with long containers